What's up guys, Thomas from the FT Speeds, and today we're doing new products of March. Alright, starting with some carbon fiber bits from OLM, we have this OLM carbon fiber fender grille cover. This is the factory BRZ fender garnish, and this just goes bloop right on top. A lot of the other ones, you have to actually remove this with all the clips, the factory one, and then put the carbon fiber one on, like the one on the BRZ. That one, you have to replace this one. And I have a full video on that if you want to learn how to do this, but this one's way easier. You just put 3M on this, you don't have to take your old one off, and right there, you're done. Also from OLM, we have these interior carbon fiber dress-up kits. We have two different versions. There's a 15-piece for limited cars that has like the push-to-button start, and then we have 12 pieces for like the premium models that don't have the push-to-button start. It's kind of like a shiny jelly carbon fiber. This is for the door. This is for the little center console cubby thing. Yeah, they cover your air condition knobbies and whatnot. So add a little carbon fiber touches to the interior with these guys. Then if you have a 2017 or newer 8.6 like we used to have, we've got carbon fiber fog light cover bezel covers. These go right over top your existing bezels if you have the fog lights. They already have pre-applied 3M on the back, and you just pop these on, you get some nice little carbon fiber fog light bezels. Then lastly, for the carbon fiber, we have a Toyota carbon fiber license plate frame for a carbon fiber license plate needs. Now for some more performance-oriented parts, we have a new adjustable lower control arm from Volk Racing. This is probably the most affordable lower control arm. It's adjustable with pillowball mounts. It's gonna give you way more adjustability than the more affordable SBCs that are just made out of stamped steel and use an eccentric bolt, but that's gonna give you like -2 degrees of camber. This one's gonna give you much more. They don't say how much more, but it is made out of stamped steel still. That's gonna lower the price, but it's not gonna be like $500 like the like a milled or a billet aluminum one would be. So you're gonna be saving money there, but you're still gonna get a bunch of adjustment. And finally, new from Scosche are the fresh free flow vent mounts that have little air fresheners right back in there. So that goes right there, and then your phone goes right up front, and the aromas waft around your phone and into your nose holes. They're available in a wide variety of aromas like new car smell, leather, peppermint, vanilla, cherry, lemon, tropical, and pine. Okay, let me move this HKS stuff out of the way. That's some new stuff that's gonna be on the Supra later. But I need to announce the winner for the axle back. The winner who got the FT86 Speed Factory axle back muffler delete is Mr. Guitar Dude 01. So, Mr. Guitar Dude 01, I've got your email because it's the order number. I'm gonna be sending you an email and shipping this out to you. So, congrats, dude. If you didn't win, it's okay. We're gonna be doing more giveaways very, very shortly. So make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel because we're gonna be doing another YouTube giveaway. Now moving over to some Supra Parts, we've got more carbon fiber. So March is definitely like the month of carbon fiber for now. We have, remember the stuff that we saw in SEMA? It was some carbon fiber, dry carbon fiber accents for the exterior and interior. I'll play that clip. So we've got some pretty cool dry carbon fiber trim pieces that we're actually working with Access Parts of Japan to develop. Well, now we have them. So we have the hood vent cowl in dry carbon fiber. We've got the door sills in carbon fiber. Then we have the interior door switch panel carbon fiber cover as well. And then not from the SEMA video, but also in this batch, we also have a seat chrome cover in carbon fiber. So it's the part that goes right behind your neck. That's in chrome. So this goes right over top of it, blacks it out with some nice carbon fiber. Now, aside from the carbon fiber, we got some new wheels in from Volk from here. We also saw these at SEMA as well. These are the Volk Racing G025 wheels. They look pretty sick. They're in a 19 by 9.5 with a plus 29 offset up front. Then in the rear, they're a little bit wider, half an inch wider by 19 by 10 with a plus 33 offset. They're available in 2 different colors. We got them in matte gun black, which is the color on the yellow car that we saw at SEMA. That one looked really nice. And then they're also available in Formula Silver as well. Okie dokie, so those are all the new products that we have for the month of March. If you have any questions at all, feel free to send us an email at sales@ftspeed.com. I got all the links down in the descriptions if you want to check out all these parts. They're mostly carbon fiber, but you know, we don't get to choose what comes in the industry. And so yeah, that's what you get for this month. I'll see you guys in the next video.